Children, let me discuss question number 4 of exercise 4.5. We have to construct a parallelogram OK where OK is 5.5 centimeter and KA is 4.2 centimeter. We have drawn a rough figure of this parallelogram and we are watching that two adjacent sides are given here. Now other informations are not there, so we will use the property of parallelogram for constructing this. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So this property will be used here. First of all, we will draw the base of this parallelogram OK, that is OK 5.5 centimeter with the help of scale. So we have drawn a line of 5.5 centimeter. We are drawing this. Now this is the line OK 5.5 centimeter. Now on this OK, at K we will draw a line passing from K at any angle, inclined to OK at any angle. Suppose we have drawn like this. So we have drawn a line from K at any particular angle. Now we will draw OY, which is parallel to this line passing from K, and for constructing a parallel line we will use this procedure. First of all, let me produce this side little bit on the outer side with the help of dotted line. Now at K we will draw an arc of any radius. This we have drawn. Now without changing this radius, we will keep our compass at O and we will draw a arc like this. Now we will measure this angle by the help of compass. So we will keep one point here and one point here. So we have measured this angle. See this carefully. Now putting the compass point here and we will draw an arc. The point where this arc will intersect, that point we will join with O by the help of a line. So you are watching that we have obtained a line. Now this line is parallel to the line which is passing from K. Why is it so? Because you can see these two are the lines. This line acts as a transversal. So this angle and this angle, they are making a pair of corresponding angles, and since we have taken equal measure for the arc here, so these two angles are equal, and we know that for a pair of two lines, if corresponding angles made on a transversal are equal, then the lines are parallel. So both the opposite sides are parallel. Now we will draw KA 4.2 centimeter with the help of compass. So first open your compass 4.2 centimeter. We have taken it. From K we will cut an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Now we know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So if KA is 4.2 centimeter, then OY will also be 4.2 centimeter. So from O also we will cut an arc of 4.2 centimeter. Now let me join these two cuts. This point let me label at A and this as Y. So this is our required quadrilateral OK, where two adjacent sides are given. Now question is it unique? So for a particular pair of angles, this is unique, but it can be made in many ways. Means there is not a single way of constructing this parallelogram. We can make in a different way. How can we make? If we change this measurement of this arc, then this will also change. So correspondingly our construction figure will change. Thank you.